Here is the beautiful Crosby Hotel, and it's one of the more modern hotels, really nicely done on the inside. Spacious and very modern furniture on the inside. And in the basement and the second basement, they have a huge event space. I've been there a few times, just wonderful. And we're just taking a look around here. And so let's take a look north on Crosby Street. Crosby Hotel is named after Crosby Street, of course. And then that's just the north area. And again, that's the entryway to the Crosby Hotel. Then we'll take a look to the south. You can see here, a lot of construction going on. Well, as I always say, New York is under constant construction, which is normal. Just another view of the Crosby Hotel, looking more southeast. You can see all the buildings around here. Beautiful. That's the MoMA store. But this again is SoHo, so it's a very chic area.